I'm Kayla. So you can see today I'm using a larger canvas. It's 16 by 16 inches. I'm going to use the blow dryer and the Dutch pour technique to blow super thin paint. These are the colors I'm using. I'll list the colors for you as I go along. And I'm going for something similar to this 12 by 12 here. I created this really fun piece a month or two ago. So aside from the fact that I'm going a lot larger, I also want to warm up the colors a bit with more magenta, more turquoise, and less of that indigo, which is kind of that really blue-black that's in there. Here is the consistency of my paint. It's mixed with 50% water, so you can see it's super thin. And I am gonna list the colors, like I said, as I pour them. So I'm gonna start now with laying down the base paint, which is just Amsterdam titanium white. So I'm just very gently spreading the paint in a very thin layer. I've got the blow dryer on high, and that green tape around the bottom, that's just to keep, just to concentrate the airflow a bit more. And you also don't want to hold your blow dryer like at an angle, or if you can avoid it, because you might just blow all your paint off the canvas. And you'll see now in the close-up how super thin the base layer is that I'm using. Making sure I've got paint on the sides, and I'm gonna start with my first color. I'm adding the colors kind of in a circular form. I just want to get a bit of each color all over. This next color is Pebeo's Blue Violet. It's an iridescent color. It usually creates lots of cells. It just can create depth. It's really beautiful. I'm adding a lot of this primary magenta to just really warm it up. And similarly with this gold here, it's this really beautiful iridescent precious gold by Pebeo. I'm also using this Winsor & Newton gold because adding like several different brands just tends to create more cells, and I'm just going for some cell effects. And finally, this is Indigo by Amsterdam. This is the one I don't want to use too much of and make it too dark. It can almost look black. Yeah, there is a lot of paint on this canvas now, and I'm adding even more by adding this white in the center, which I'm going to blow outwards. Just a little bit of white over the top there. Brighten up some of those darker colors. I'm adding white around all the edges so the colors can flow better over the entire canvas, because I want the colors to also completely cover the sides. I'm finally going to start blowing this out. I'm just really gently blowing from the center outwards, just barely touching the paint. And I'm going to go ahead and let you watch the rest of this. I'm going to put some music on, and I'll be back when it's done. So I'm just popping some air bubbles now, adding some extra little details. It creates sort of these little fine little white specks. You can see a bunch there in that blue violet. And just giving it a once over kind of on the whole canvas, since canvas has a lot of random details to it anyways. And here it is, it's just looking super vibrant, and really love how there's lots of little cells, random cool effect. The colors go really beautifully together, so I love the flow. I did manage to get a lot more magenta and turquoise popping in this one, and just really love this overall look here with some cool movement and effects in the center. I did add some paint with the brush here when it was dry, and like some spots where I just felt that it was lacking definition or just not enough color, just wasn't really popping in a few places. I felt the composition looked a bit unbalanced from a distance, so I also added some white lines in certain spots that kind of evened out the white that was running through it. And now I'm gonna just show briefly how I varnished with this Gambar High Gloss Varnish. It's super easy to use and just creates this beautiful shiny finish. So this dried varnished piece, it's so vibrant. The varnish really deepened the colors. It's got some beautiful shimmer and shine. And it works really well with these iridescent colors in the light. But I love this varnish because it's not like super shiny to the point that it's reflecting so much light that it's distracting when you look at it. And this is just one coat of varnish, so I love the overall look. And there's my dog Leo. I think he likes it too. No, he just likes being right where I'm at, so he happened to lay next to it. So yeah, there it is, the overall look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas, was inspiring, was helpful maybe. And I do have a video on how I mix my paints, and I demo just the basics of the way I use the Dutch pour technique. So check that out. I'll try to do the thing where I add it now at the end. You know what I mean? I'll link it here in the end screen. Otherwise, you can just find it. It's probably the last video I published. And again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Bye.